Yo, what's going on? SalesFunnelGod is right back here, aka Miguel Johnson. And first thing I want to say, thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time here and you have no idea what to expect from this channel, I do talk about all things marketing, but as my Instagram handle says, I am SalesFunnelGod. So the main thing you will hear me talking about is sales funnels. And if this is your first time here, I would like to say welcome. Thank you for coming along, and please hit the subscribe button because I'm really thirsty for validation. No, just because I like to talk about stuff on here, and usually I'm answering comments or different stuff that I see questions popping up inside of my DMs, and that's what this video is going to be about. A lot of people aren't exactly sure what a sales funnel is or exactly familiar with the terminology and everything it is that I'm doing. So I feel the need to further explain what it is that I have going on this channel and what it is that I'm doing. What we're going to talk about on this particular video is what exactly a sales funnel is. Because the thing about it is most people assume that in order for it to be a sales funnel, there needs to be a sales page. There needs to be a bunch of different upsells and downsells. And yes, that is a funnel. These are the things that I personally love to do. But a sales funnel doesn't start and end there. A sales funnel is basically the entire business. You have to think about the entire thing as a whole as a sales funnel, and that is exactly what it is. I'm going to break down for you right now. So, yes, a sales funnel does live on ClickFunnels. If you were to just look on the surface, a sales funnel would just be, oh, there's a sales page, there's an order form, there's some sort of upsell on the back end, and this is what a sales funnel is, but it doesn't start and end there, like I said. The sales funnel starts with what we're doing right now. So where are people finding out about you? Are they finding out about you from advertisements? Are they finding out about you from YouTube videos, Instagram? Where are the leads being generated from at the start? And how are you nurturing those leads from the start? And how are you collecting those leads in order to bring them into the actual funnel? The actual funnel that lives online. This is where the funnel starts. It starts with you as the person, and where does the relationship start? When it comes to me working with my personal clients, this is usually what they're best at. They're best at building and nurturing that relationship. This is something that isn't the easiest thing to do. If it was easy, we would all be famous on YouTube and Instagram. But because they're so good at that part, it helps to that's where the relationship gets made. Just further explaining what it is that I'm doing so that you could have a better idea of what it is that I have going on. So that is where the sales funnel starts. Now, where is the next step inside of that funnel? It depends. It really depends. Some people build their entire businesses based off of high ticket items. Dan Locke is a really good example of that, where it's the nurturing part of the relationship. He has all this content on YouTube, on Instagram, and whenever people decide to work with him, it's a high ticket thing. Either they are brought into the high ticket sales course, the 7-week course that he has, or they're working directly with him. That's essentially where it starts and ends. So his funnel is really short. Now, there's other people whose funnels are much longer, and that is because there are various other products that they could potentially be buying, whether it be free things, whether it be slightly higher ticket items, or something in the middle where it's like a $50 to $100 product. These are different steps that could potentially exist inside of a business, and it elongates the funnel, and it takes it. If we were actually, fuck it. I'll pop it up on the screen right now. This is essentially what a funnel can look like. There are multiple steps that can exist inside of your business, and some people leave their businesses on the top. Some people leave their businesses on the bottom. I will say this. in terms of funnels and when it comes to your business. If you want to increase the revenue that is going to be inside of your business, if you want an immediate jump in the amount of money that you are making, you want to start off at the top of the funnel. These are the higher ticket items. If you do not have higher ticket items inside of your business, you will be not bottlenecked, but there's definitely a limit to the amount of money that you can potentially make. Obviously, there are exceptions to this rule. If we look at McDonald's, a lot of the money that is made is from very low ticket items. We're talking less than $10, but I bet you majority of their money is made, like the people at the top of McDonald's, majority of their money is made from selling real estate to different people who want to own a McDonald's. And then they make money just from letting them use the brand name and letting that place exist, and they don't even have to touch it. That would be the higher ticket item. That would be the top of the funnel. So like no matter where you look at a business, like it doesn't have to exist just online. This is how sales funnels work, and they exist inside of every single business. The trick is optimizing the funnel and trying to extract the most money out of it. And that is where creativity and you as a marketer, the strength of you as a marketer is going to be shown. How much can you optimize your funnel or your client's funnel in order to extract the most money out of it? What sort of deals can you make? How many different doors can you open to bring them into this one product? Like the top of the funnel is the biggest part. So if your goal is to get them to a product that is down here in the funnel, that is down towards the bottom of the funnel, how many different avenues, how many different doors can you open at the top of the funnel in order to bring them into this one product? That is the way that I like to think about it, and opening up as many doors as possible and giving as many avenues and lanes in order to pump money into products for yourself or your clients is going to be the differentiating factor for you and your business. I hope you enjoyed this video. I made this a quick one because I wanted it to be very straightforward. I wanted you to be able to rewatch this as many times as possible because I feel like this is extremely important. This needs to be said, and this is how you have to think about funnels in general. So go ahead, leave a comment below. Let me know any sort of videos that you would like to be made on this channel. Those are my favorite comments, by the way. I love seeing what it is that you're interested, what sort of questions pop up inside of your mind as you're watching these videos. And once again, thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe, bro. I'm making videos every day, at least trying to. And so far, it's going pretty well. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I love saying thank you. And peace out, man.